Welcome to my Sindhi kitchen where childhood memories and soul food like Sindhi curry, aloo tuk, sai bhaji, right up to hidden gems and recipes from different families from all over the world come here in this kitchen. When I'm cooking Sindhi food, it's damn serious. It's not just about recipes and flavors. I'm giving you a memory and a taste of my history. Welcome and let's start cooking! Daga mein mushrooms. Mushrooms in a dag style. Now, like mushrooms, even potatoes, ghee and other vegetables are made in the dag style. What does dag mean? Dag means actually a stain. What does a stain look like? Brownish, reddish. That's what normally stains look like. So literally it is a dagame gravy, which means that like almost like a stain looking gravy, which means onions, tomatoes, gingers, chilies. Anyway, let's start cooking. Also this time, now in the good old days, when in the old part of Sindh, they used to do a lot of foraging, okay? Now they found different kinds of mushrooms because of its climate and various kinds of mushrooms, maybe comparing it to the king oyster mushroom today, nice big mushrooms. So literally I am using button mushrooms, which are the most available mushrooms to you, and also to little pimp it up a little bit, I also have some nice gucci, yani ke morel mushrooms, which are very highly priced and they are stunning. So these have been washed few times in hot water because इसमें बहुत रेत रहती है. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this, which will give it a very rich flavor. Now this entire thing can also be made into a pulao. So you'll call dagame pulao. So dagame can be applied to various things. I hope you understood that. So we have a little bit of normal vegetable oil in this. There's no frills and fancies. और अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे प्याज. So at least 2 to 3 बारीक कटे हुए प्याज है इसमें. ये ग्रेवी जो है प्याज थोड़ा ज़्यादा पड़ता है because ये जो entire preparation है प्याज और टमाटर के साथ बनती है. Okay? तो पहले जो है हम इसे ब्राउन कर देते हैं to get that really nice color. Fantastic. Now a lot of times people really cook them down and you can mash them, you can use a mandiara if you want to do it. If I want to blend it, I would actually blend it in a machine. But now if you chop the onions fine, you never know, maybe you don't really need to even blend it. Let's check it out anyway. So the onions are getting to this gorgeous color right now. And into this, we're going to be adding some tej patta. So the idea is to be a little patient when you're sauteing these onions, क्योंकि आपको थोड़ा सा इसे brown करना है without really burning them, if you know what I mean. First class. So अभी it's browning really nicely. Okay. To this we are going to be adding about 1.5 teaspoons garlic, 2 teaspoons of बारीक कटी हुई अदरक और 2 मिर्ची. परफेक्टो. तो अभी हम इसे भून लेते हैं और इसके बाद हम डालेंगे टमाटर. Now the best part about a lot of the Sindhi food is that when it comes to using masalas, we use little bit of haldi, we use red chili powder, and more than jeera, we use dhania. And then we finish with garam masala. So you see a lot of the recipes have that kind of profile, okay? A lot of the recipes don't have garlic. They only have ginger. A lot of people, like some recipes, they have no onion, no garlic, keeping in mind the religious practices which is followed by different Sindhis and Hindus as well. So we getting there, the onion, ginger, garlic, and iski jo combination hai, this is one of the most loveliest parts of the cooking which I love to do. तो अभी ये देखिए, you can see this is the part where you have to be a little careful and start browning it. We're going to be adding just a little bit of haldi, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, halka sa garam masala, not too much, and 1 teaspoon of dhania. And I'm going to just add a little salt right now. Perfect. तो ये हमारा बेस मसाला is almost ready. Okay. और ये as I mentioned to you, जो दाग में है, this is a base gravy for a lot of dishes in Sindhi. Like literally जब हम बोलते हैं OTM in the hotel industry, onion tomato masala. So this is our Sindhi OTM, okay? The दाग मसाला. अभी हम इसमें टमाटर डाल लेते हैं थोड़े. So you see on this side, मैं टमाटर को भून रहा हूँ, okay? Then slowly mixing it in here. Beautiful. Oh yes. तो अभी mixing them all together very much. Nice. Fantastic. बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह इसको हम थोड़ा सा और कैरमलाइज कर देते हैं. And then हम इसमें पानी डाल के I'm going to let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes and onions are nice and soft. अभी हम इसमें डालते हैं थोड़ा सा पानी. Perfecto. Nice. So we're going to let this reduce a little bit, and then we're going to add our mushrooms into this, and our dish is almost ready. Oh yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Now I'm going to take this right down. I'm really loving the color. I'm not going to really blend it, which I had my plans. तो मैंने इसे बिल्कुल इसी तरह मैश करने वाला. Beautiful. Back of the spoon के साथ. And as you know, when they start mashing, they're coming together like this. Beautiful. So at this stage, I'm going to be adding my morel mushrooms in here. Fantastic. Wow, look. Nice. And then next, my mushrooms inside. So we're going to give this a nice mix. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt, some fresh coriander, 3 to 4 minutes, और हमारे दाग में मशरूम रेडी हो गए भाऊ. Beautiful fresh धनिया, little bit of salt, and I'm just going to add just a touch of garam masala here. Now the mushroom are going to leave there. थोड़ा सा पानी तो छोड़ेंगे mushrooms. They are full of water. So automatically जो हमारी जो gravy है, मसाला है, set हो जाएगा. And this is one of the most amazing side dishes. इसको आप पाव के साथ भी खाओगे, amazing. चावल के साथ beautiful. दाल, rice, दाग में mushroom, perfect meal. So let's close this now and let's check it out. Whoa, love it. अभी थोड़ा सा tasting जो हो जाए ना, look at it, it's perfect, really nice. And this is the real daag what I'm talking about. Now that's what I call a real dagame mushroom. Beautiful. Let's give it a little taste. Nice. I know what is missing. I'll be back. Hey, I'm back. So I think थोड़ी सी नमक and then limbuda. some lovely lemon juice to just kick it up all the way. Amazing. Some more coriander. Perfect. So imagine this is a really quick side dish. Same recipe. Paneer, potatoes, mixed vegetables, chicken, ghee, yani ke lotus root. This dish is really easy to make and very versatile. Okay, now look, it's like almost like eating meat. तो अगर आपको ये recipe आपको अगर कटहल में करनी है, it's just too good. You want to make it in paneer, you want to make it in tofu, be my guest. A little more fresh coriander right here. और हमारा a little more lovely दाग में मशरूम रेडी. लाइक कजो, शेयर कजो, सब्सक्राइब कजो और जरूर बनाना है आपको ये.